This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.